That's your day to go. Alright, so my favorite Dollar Tree, you know that. I don't know why it is, but if I'm confused of what's going on, this is the place to go. Look at that. Put that candy up for the front so we make sure we grab something, huh? Alright, so the spring stuff is out. And if you need some gym shoes, some throwaway shoes, here you go. If you lose these, it's okay. They were $1. Oh, look at that. They didn't even came with sizes, y'all. These look like little kids. So that says 11, 12. Yep, there it is, kids. Okay. Alright, so anyway, ready for that spring, huh? Well, we got a lot of rain here in Kansas City. But they have a party. Oh, this looks like a Bed Bath & Beyond trip here. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Yeah, let's get a drink. Okay, so I wanted to tell you some of the summer things that they got here at the Dollar Tree. They've got the cute little drying mats for the dishes. Nice. They got the plates ready. Don't forget those popsicles. And this thing right here is really neat here. That spout. I'm thinking about getting that. Like I need another container, right? Yeah. Sun tea, y'all. It's your personal one. Ice cream balls and spoons. Oh yeah, they really got it here at the Dollar Tree. They're doing it. Now, what if you got those old chairs that need a cushion in them? Yeah, let's get them going. Now, what do y'all think? Do you think this is spring or do you think it's summer? It says summer, but I'm thinking that's kind of a spring look to me. Comment below and let me know what you think. Hey YouTube fam, welcome back to the channel. This is SJ here, and we are going to do a Dollar Tree haul. I'm going to do it a little bit different than what I normally would do because I shop different this time. When I went to the Dollar Tree this time, I decided I wanted to get a few things to replace some kitchen items that I use regularly in the house. So, let's get this haul started. As you know, I go to the Dollar Tree in Independence. Love it. It's one of the bigger ones, but there's another one that I go to that's even bigger. And this time I went to the second one, which is, they're both Independence, but still. Alright, so today I got a whisk. Alright, so they have a couple of different types in there. They have the Betty Crocker, and then they have this nylon whisk. I chose this one because it felt a little bit more sturdier. And so, you know, you can use the whisk to do your eggs and do your meringues and things like that you won't do with your mixer. Alright, and then I cut a lot of potatoes. So, and so to make it easier, look at that hair sticking out of place. Get in there. Get, there we go. Damn hair. Okay, anyway. All right, so I wanted to make it a little easier. They have an apple core, and apples are usually kind of tough like potatoes are. So I figured if we use this, we'll make it easier to cut the potatoes. So I've been lately doing sweet potatoes, and if you treat your sweet potatoes like you do your arch white, yellow, what are they called? Yeah, the white potatoes, they taste better and awesome. I've put sour cream, butter, onion, chives. I loaded it up just like you do a regular potato on a sweet potato. Ah, you gotta try it. Trust me, you gotta try it. You don't look at it as being a sweet. You look at it as savory. Kind of like when they make those savory donuts. Have you ever had those? Yeah, okay. All right, so yep, I got that for the potatoes. Now, you all, if you've been following me on my Snap, you know that I've been using that Harataki water. And so when I use it, I have to switch it, you know, take the water off and put it into another container, or hurry up and drink it so I can start my next batch of water. Well, I've been needing to funnel them, and this is perfect because now I can just use these to funnel, and they come in different sizes. So you don't have to just use these for oil. If you're gonna use them for food, don't get another one. They're only $1. So I'm gonna use these to start funneling my water, so that way wherever I pour it at, it won't spill everywhere. Cause you know you gotta drink all this water. And just so you know what I'm talking about, that Harataki water, I'm drinking it now. Yeah, it's kind of green looking, but it's supposed to be a really good cleanser, and so far I can tell it's doing some cleansing. It's also supposed to be good for preventative stuff too. So yeah, do your research, Dr. Bombay. And yeah, so that was that. And let's see, what else did we get? All my stuff is falling. You know, I got it in bags still. All right, so I got this veggie cleaner. So now I can just take my brush and just and brush the veggies. Okay. And I thought that was a really good deal because, you know, I've been seeing a lot of people where they say, spray this stuff on your vegetables to clean it. And it's supposed to get all the residue and all that other stuff off of there. Well, if that residue is so harmful, why are you spraying something that's going to be more harmful to get that stuff off of there? It doesn't make any sense to me. So, yeah, water and the veggie brush will work well. That really don't make no sense. Why are you spraying something to make it work or make it clean up the other stuff that you're trying to kill? That means the stuff that you're spraying is more stronger. So that's not good. All right, so the other thing is that I got a lemon press. Okay, so you know what? Okay, y'all. Sorry I had to interrupt that one, but yeah, I got some antibacterial soap for the kitchen. That's what, you know, kitchen haul. And this thing is sitting over here leaking because somebody wanted to unscrew it. If you unscrew something, screw it back. So now I'm, look at that, just dripping and wasted all this stuff on here. Gosh, and messed up my bag. Oh, yuck. Okay, so y'all know I gotta stop this video and go wash my dang on hands. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Y'all thought I was joking? Man, I was like, ooh. Why do you it's antibacterial. You don't need to smell it. You know what it's for. So I got that anyway that I just had to clean up. And I got it because it's going in the kitchen, because what better place to have an antibacterial soap is in the kitchen where you're using food and cleaning and cooking all the time. So that's what I did. All right, so now back to the haul. Real life, y'all, these things happen, don't they? And if they don't happen to you, lucky. All right, so then I got this press. So I got a lemon press. It's just a standard lemon squeeze press. And basically, I'll just cut it in half. Squeeze. Done deal. All right. And then it's almost time to grill. It might be still snowing here in April in Missouri, but yeah. I got this so I can clean my grill, because we be grilling, and I'm a barbecue competition person too, so I think we are going to be competing this year. So yeah, if you get a chance to come out to the Show Me State, check us out. Tell me you see me on YouTube. We'll feed you some barbecue. Ooh! Alright, so yeah, this is how you clean your grill. You can clean it with this stuff here. This is the stronger side. And then you got this side after you get it all smooth. Or you just use either side. It doesn't matter. To me, it matters. I'm going to use this stronger side first, because sometimes there might be food stuck on the grill. But Dollar Tree does have those pans, and I think I showed y'all in a video. Well, no, I showed you on Instagram where they had these trays, and they have holes in them. And it's a great way to cook your food and not have to worry about your grill, you know, grill lines. You just put the chicken, like if you're doing chicken wings, you just put the chicken wings on the tray, put it on straight on the grill, and it'll cook it just the same. So then you still have your grill flavor. All right, so I got that. And then, let's see here. Is that all that I got? I'm so mad at that bag, though. Oh. So as a side note, I probably, you know, I know they don't have nothing to do with the kitchen. I got some Pop Rocks. I love me some Pop Rocks. Yes, I do. Woohoo! Love those. Yummy. Whoops. Yummy. I got 2 of them. Yeah, because they make a lot of noise. I like them. Okay. And, yep, that's all in my bag. And that is it for this haul. So hopefully you all seen something that was neat. It's definitely worth checking out the Dollar Tree if you've never been in there before. And yeah, if you see me on my Snap, my sister came over to the house one day, and she said she went to the Dollar Tree to pick up some kind of pens or something. And she got them, and she went to the lady and said, "How much are these?" And the lady looked at her and she said, $1. And my sister said, "Well, everything ain't in this store is $1. And the lady said, "Well, yeah, everything in the store is $1. Oh, well, there's some candy in there for 89 cents. But yeah, everything is $1. Everything in the Dollar Tree is $1. I'm like, my sister told me that, and I just fell out. Who does that? Yeah, how much is this in the Dollar Tree? Now, granted, I'm sure that she got confused because she usually goes to Dollar General too. So, but yeah, how much is this at the Dollar Tree? Anybody know the answer to that? So, how about this? How much do you think this costs? Yeah. All right, so this is your girl SJ here. Make sure you follow me on my social media so you can see some of the things that I don't always get a chance to video on. Instagram is Real Beauty, Food, and Life. Hit that thumbs up. Say hi. And then, of course, if you want to see some of the things that I do that I don't always get a chance to put on YouTube, hit me on Snapchat. It's sensational. All right. There goes Maggie. This is your girl SJ with Real Beauty, Real Food, and that little issue happened in real life. Thanks for taking time out and watching the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I always try to check my comments. If you ever see me comment and I got an SJ behind it, that means I did it. If you don't see anything behind it, that means somebody else did it. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.